Welcome. Today we are going to learn about arc length. Specifically, we will understand how to calculate the distance along a curved path on a circle using the formula s equals theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. First, let's define what an arc is. An arc is simply a portion of the circumference of a circle. You can think of it like the crust of a pizza slice. It represents the curved distance between two specific points on the edge of the circle. To calculate arc length, we need to know three key components. First, the radius r, which is the distance from the center to the edge. Second, the central angle theta, which determines how wide our slice is. And third, the arc length itself, which we usually label as s. Before we find the length of a small part, let's remember the formula for the whole circle. The total distance around a circle is called the circumference. The formula for circumference is c equals 2 pi r. Now, we need to figure out what fraction of the circle we are dealing with. A full circle is 360 degrees. If we have an angle theta, the fraction of the circle is simply theta divided by 360. We can now build our formula logically. The arc length is just a part of the total circumference. So, the arc length equals the fraction of the circle multiplied by the total circumference. Part of the angle means part of the distance. Putting it all together, we get the official formula. S equals theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. This calculates exactly how long the curved path is for any given angle. Let's try an example. Suppose the radius is 10 centimeters and the angle is 90 degrees. First, 90 divided by 360 is 1/4. The total circumference is 2 times pi times 10, which is about 62.83. 1/4 of that is 15.71 centimeters. Here is another example. The radius is 6 centimeters and the angle is 60 degrees. 60 over 360 simplifies to 1/6, so we take 1/6 of the total circumference. The 6's cancel out, leaving us with 2 pi, or approximately 6.28 centimeters. To summarize, arc length is just a fraction of the full circle's perimeter. You find the fraction by dividing your angle by 360, and then multiply that by the circumference formula, 2 pi r. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.